Good evening. Thank you to the Elder and Jackie for that beautiful opening, and to Toronto Public Health and Dr. McCue for taking such leadership. It's a real honor and it's humbling to introduce my brothers here who are going to provide us with some leading insights into Aboriginal health. We had an opportunity to sit with Dr. Adams this afternoon, and he showed a picture of an elder from his community. And she said a long time ago there was nothing to do but help the people. I have some opportunities. I've known Dr. Adams for about 20 years now, and I wonder if he does nothing but help the people. I just want to acknowledge the families and communities of both Dr. Evan Adams and Duncan Mccue and say thank you to them for loaning us these leaders, these brothers who will speak eloquently to our issues. Dr. Evan Adams is a member of the Smylie First Nations, which is near Powell River in British Columbia. It's a beautiful territory, and there's been some recent recognition of the treaty claims, so it's an expanding territory. It's always been Smylie territory, but there's recognition for that expanded territory. He's a physician and he's an actor. I'm jealous of the acting part. And Dr. McCue had already mentioned that it's his first day as BC's Chief Medical Officer of Health for the First Nations Health Authority. This follows 7 years at the provincial health office, where he started as an Aboriginal advisor, and he actually yesterday, or I think as of 11 o'clock this morning, he had worked his way up to being the Deputy Provincial Health Officer for Aboriginal Health in British Columbia, so another very notable accomplishment. Also, he had received the Inspire Award in 2014. He completed his MD at the University of Calgary, his Aboriginal Family Practice residency at St. Paul's UBC, and a Master's of Public Health from Johns Hopkins. So that's a pretty stellar career in health. And then he also has an ongoing career as an actor and a director and a producer. So he can tell you more about that in the break. But he's also just genuinely an amazing human being and person who I think did listen and still listens to his elders and this idea of nothing to do but help the people. I had the good fortune to meet Duncan Mccue just this evening, and again, we're very honored to have him here. Another articulate and insightful spokesperson for the people. He's been a reporter for CBC News for over 15 years. He has just won a prestigious journalism award. He's a Knights Fellow at Stanford University, and he teaches journalism at UBC. He's taught journalism for many years to Indigenous students, and of course he also has a law degree. So some pretty talented multidisciplinary people. Mr. McCue is Anishinaabe, a member of the Chippewas of Georgina Island First Nations here in Southern Ontario. Thanks again.